I bought the cheapest battery I could find on Amazon for my ATV. And this is it. I'll show you the process of how to get her going. It's pretty easy. If you don't want to read the instructions, they're just right here if you can't read. Take the yellow caps off, take the red plug off the right side, fill up to the top level mark, which is this upper level mark here. Put the plugs back in, wait 1 hour. This is supposed to be on a level surface, by the way. And then after an hour, you can put it on a trickle charger to get it charged. It may have a charge when you fill it up. I guess what I would do is I'd pull the plugs, pull this red cap off, fill up to the top level, give it a little wiggle if there's any air in there. Then I think you put the plugs back in. Yeah, put the plugs back in. Wait an hour. If you see the level isn't where it's supposed to be, top it off again. Just give it a little shake. Maybe wait another half hour to an hour, and then put it on a trickle charger. And don't forget, this hose goes here, and this hose goes here. So I'm gonna go through this process now, and I'll get back to you after it's filled up. See if I've down any levels or whatever after shaking it. I use the needle nose as I have fat fingers and can't get these out. So you might need that. There you go. This is just a sticker that we're gonna take off. Just a reminder to take this off. So take that off. You need something to cut this top off. I'm just gonna use this needle nose. Well, if it work. There. Don't cut it too deep. You gotta get that hose on there. Your hose. So now you got your hose on. And I did cut mine a little short, but it still works. No less than that. You got to come up here and fill up each cell, so 6 of them, up to the top line. So you have to be sure you're on a level surface and do that. I'm not going to record while I do this. Be a little more careful since it's acid. Well, here it is filled up. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of a shade. It's kind of hard to see, especially when you got light right on it. I thought about putting the camera's light behind it and have it shine forward, like I do on a radiator overflow on a Polaris, but that didn't work. But I got it pretty good. Just keep tapping it. And be careful that the hose will pop off. It's very cold here where I'm at today, so it's pretty stiff. I did put the terminals on both sides already. And then the sticker can come off because I already pulled the red thing off here. And then put the caps in. Like I said, it's 12:30 here right now, so I gotta wait till 1:30, and then I can check the levels again. And then I will put these plugs in right now. There, the plugs are all in. As you can see, the terminals are on there. Let's see how much acid I got left. Only not much left at the end, so it's not a ton. Supposed to neutralize that with baking soda. Neutralizes acid. Here's what you get. Wash your eyes off and get it in your eyes. Wash your hands. Sulfuric acid. And then this hose goes on here. So just stick that on there. And I'll do that after this. You don't need the whole hose. Just a little bit of a lead. PowerSource battery, firepower. I'll come back after an hour. All right, it's been over an hour and 10 minutes. Seems to be holding pretty good level. I'm gonna be putting a charger on it. This is what I'll be using, a NOCO Genius 2D, 12 volt, 2 amp. Just hook those up to the posts. Plug it in, it's got a little red light and it turns green after it's charged. So I'll leave this on until it gets going. You can find this just about anywhere, they're pretty cheap. Can't remember what I paid, but it's a good option. So there you go. I'll plug it in and show you what it looks like. All right, so the red's hooked up to positive, black negative. You can see the NOCO plugged in. It's It's working away. So probably be a few hours before this is ready to go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna run it till it turns green, but it will turn green and we'll be ready to roll. Well, looky there. Turn green. Good to go.